Modern technologies have been helping farmers in Baicheng City in China's Jilin province reap bumper harvests on saline alkali land. Mao Yinghua contracted 150 hectares of saline alkali land in 2015 and tried to convert it into farmland. However, due to a lack of technology, the rice yield was very low, which resulted in a loss of over 3 million yuan in the first 3 years. Later, experts from the Jilin Academy of Agricultural Sciences imparted their knowledge to Mao on the techniques for converting saline alkaline soil into arable land and introduced saline alkaline tolerant rice varieties. In 2022, Mao's rice fields produced 8,000 kilograms of grain per hectare, with a net profit of over 600,000 yuan.
首先使我的信心增加了。盐碱地它不是不能治理，它也肯定能变成良田，甚至高产田。但是必须要技术的支持，政策、技术、资金加种植者的耐力。
Over the years, Baicheng City has achieved a successful transformation of its saline alkali land. For 9 consecutive years, Baicheng has held the title of being the top rice-producing city in Jilin province.